So what would another really cool productivity hack be? Hey, welcome to another episode of Going to Pick Up the Mail with Jim. And I was walking up to the mailbox and I just thought of something based on this morning's video talking about productivity hacks. And I got to tell you, my number one productivity hack tool is the stopwatch on my watch. And what I mean by that is, maybe it's just me or maybe it would work for you too, but I'm a very competitive person, and for me, the sound of my stopwatch, that little beep, and I'm gonna do it right here. I don't know if you're gonna hear it or not, but you hear my watch going here. As soon as it makes that sound and I see the stopwatch going, it's like, for whatever reason, my brain says, okay, it's go time. And so when I sit down at the computer, or whether I'm going to work out, or even when I'm doing something in the house where Terry's like, you need to clean up or do whatever, when I turn on that stopwatch, it's like a subconscious command to me that literally the clock is ticking. And so what I'll do, I'll use the stopwatch one of two ways. I'll either do it to see how fast I can do something. So it's like, okay, I got to type this email up. How fast can I do this email? Or how fast can I clean up my office? Or how fast can I do this task? The other way I do it is to say, okay, I'm going to do this for 22 minutes. And there's a lot of debate out there about how long should you do stuff. I've heard people say 50 minutes. I've heard 40 minutes. There's a thing called the Pomodoro method, which basically says 22 minutes. Me, I've found that somewhere between 30 and 40 minutes to get really, really into something, and then I need to stand up, use a restroom, and take a little bit of a break for like 5 minutes. And I can pretty much do that all day. Now, sometimes I can stretch it longer, but that's not really the purpose of talking to you about this particular quick hack. The big thing with this is that using a timer, one of those two ways, using it just simply on my watch. Everybody's like, oh, maybe there's an app or something. Yeah, we really need to go get an app to time us. I think your phone probably has a stopwatch or a countdown timer built into it. So, but that's really, a lot of times it's a really simple, super simple stuff that helps you do the best. So again, using it two ways. One, to either time yourself to do a specific task and see how fast you can get it done, or to use it from the standpoint of just doing it for a certain amount of time, doing an activity, and then taking a break and giving yourself a mental or physical break. So anyway, just a little afternoon. Like I said, I figured I was walking up to check the mail and I'd share that one little tip with you, kind of building on this morning. So everybody have a great day. If you have any productivity hack questions or how I actually get stuff done or anything like that, feel free to ask down in the comments. And everybody have a great day. Bye-bye, everybody.